hopefully we can.
Am I at the center?
No.
Oh, how about that?
A little bit better. Keep going. A little more. There you go.
Hi guys, good evening, and good evening to everybody all around the world. Alright, dito sa Amerika po, may total eclipse kami na area that would only last for 2 minutes and how many seconds?
Just 2. Not even 2 minutes.
Not even 2 minutes. So, kita nyo ako? Can you see me? Like, I'm totally getting dark. But anyway, ito po yung gagamitin ko para tingnan ko yung... So, I had to cut my recording kanina, guys. Teka lang. Ay, naku, nakakita lang ng total eclipse. Pa-English na. Ano ba yan? But anyway, papakita ko sa inyo yung nangyari kanina sa total eclipse namin. Stay tuned again! Pasensya na kayo sa hairstyle ko kanina, guys. Medyo okay na ngayon kasi madilim na. So, hindi nyo na makita. But kanina, we were in a hurry because, ginising na ko ng asawa ko, time na. Sabi ko, you wake me up in 10 minutes. So, give me 10 minutes. Bigyan nyo ako ng 10 minutes. Tapos 10 minutes na tapos, malapit na talaga kaming malate sa total eclipse. We still had to drive mga 30 minutes papunta sa renovation namin. Kaya wala na akong panuklay doon. Pumunta na kami kaagad. Kaya ito na. Can you help me? You say, panoorin nyo ito, please.
Oh, goodness.
Just say, panoorin.
I don't know where to begin.
You say, no,
o,
ren, nyo.
Oh, God.
You say, nyo, po, ang, aking, asawa, na, nababaliw na. Nababailo na daw ako, guys. It's nababaliw na. Diba, guys, may kasabihan sa atin na pag full moon may isang mga tao na parang nawawala ng kasiyahan. Parang ito yung yung sa aking case total eclipse. But anyway, guys, I'm going to make a video of the total eclipse. Hindi ko nga nakita yung sarili ko. Tingnan yung gadget ko, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Para din akong si who do I look like? Loki? In the Star Wars?
There's no Loki in the Star Wars.
Huh?
Loki is not Star Wars.
So who is the Star Wars princess?
Oh, Princess Leia?
Oh, do I look like Princess Leia? Mapa sa langit na nawa yung kaluluwa niya. Ako, guys, wala pa akong plano na magiging kaluluwa. Tingnan niyo yung namin, backyard light namin, nag-on siya. Oh my gosh, guys, nakakita ako ng star. Alas 3 ng hapon may star, guys. Natutuwa talaga kami ng asawa ko kasi imagine, alas 3 ng hapon nakakita ka ng star. At saka, itong video na ito doesn't give any justice kasi yung paligid namin, guys, ay napakadilim talaga. Pero dito sa video, parang pa rin siya, maliwanag. Kasi siguro yan maliwanag dahil yung mga ilaw sa daan ay nag-switch on siya. Guys, kaunti na lang talaga yung ng sun. Yung what do you call that one in Tagalog? Simulak, or yung part ng sun parang na lang siya. Kaya lang hindi pa rin makikita sa camera ko. Kahit nalagyan siya ng salamin. But in reality, guys, natabunan na yung sun ng 90%. Ito siya. Yan talaga yung nangyari in real time sa video na pinakita ko sa inyo.
It is. I'm wondering, you can probably take the filter off.
Tingnan nyo guys, pronounced na yung ano, yung ray ng sun kasi maliit na lang talaga siya. And let me show you that getting dark.
Wow. I feel like my eyes are gonna go, like I'm going crazy.
Why?
Look at it. Man, it
Yeah.
looks so crazy. Are you recording around, Marilyn?
Yeah, I am.
Jeez, oh, jeez.
That's crazy, right? Like,
It doesn't
I don't
show
know
up-
if it's obvious on camera.
It's not, like on here it doesn't look so much different.
Yeah.
Mostly paper. It's not even 3 pounds.
Okay, what is it showing?
Here. We don't have to put eyeglass on my camera.
My gosh, it's just like,
Huh?
oh gosh. This is some crazy stuff.
Oh gosh. Like look at the neighborhood. Yeah, the neighborhood
I wonder
guys.
if you can catch stars on that. I can see a star.
What?
There. There's a star.
Oh yeah. Guys,
Oh my God. Look at the
this is amazing.
show around.
Yeah. Oh gosh, it's getting dark.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
hard to see on here, but there's.
May star kami na nakita.
Yeah, I wish you could see better, but.
Okay.
Oh my.
Oh
Marilyn.
jeez, it's now really.
Look at it. It's a ring.
Oh, yeah, there's a ring. Wow. Wow, Lord, thank you. Wow, it's my first time. Wow. There's a ring.
Wow.
Oh gosh, thank you, Lord God. And look at the surroundings, guys. Ngit-ngit na. Ngit-ngit na.
A lot darker than it
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for letting me see this once in a lifetime. This
This is 3:10 in the afternoon. There's.
Yeah, what time is it now? 3:00 ng hapon, guys. Tapos gabi na. Woo! Ring of fire! This is crazy! Wow, and I can see. Guys, may makita ako na star at 3:00 ng hapon. Where's the star? I couldn't see it from the camera. Oh my gosh, guys. Gabing-gabi na talaga, guys.
Craziness. Let's see the sun,
Wow.
basically.
Whoa. Is this real?
Okay, did you get the ring at all?
No, it's not
coming up yet.
it's
Yeah,
not
it doesn't,
obvious
It doesn't
on.
show up in the glasses, so
Oh yeah, let me. Can I
it
see?
doesn't show up in the glasses.
Ring of fire. Wait, where is the sun now? See? Wala nang sun. Wala na kayong makikita, guys. But you wait in a few minutes, babalik din yan sun. nagpipray kami ng asawa ko, and we were just so thankful to the Lord na binigyan kami ng opportunity na makita yung total eclipse. Ang ganda talaga guys. It was beyond what words can say, na very majestic. Makita mo talaga yung power ng Panginoon through His creation. And also pour out din kami sa aming hurt dahil the day before nawala yung pinakamamahal naming pusa. And for some people, probably wala lang sa kanila yan. But para sa amin, dahil wala kaming mga anak, yung mga pusa namin, sila yung parang tunay naming anak. So, binuhos namin yung emotions namin sa Panginoon dahil siya lang talaga yung magka-comfort sa amin. So, ito na yun guys, yung development ng total eclipse. So, ito yung kuha sa camera namin. Hindi masyadong high-tech, kaya hindi siya naka-focus talaga at enlarged. But ito na siya yung matapos na ang solar eclipse. Tapos, pabalik na yung sun sa kanyang original size. Gradually, it's getting brighter and brighter. And pasalamat kami dahil naka-experience kami ng ganito. And sa prayer namin guys, we prayed na, Lord, kahit na madilim yung mundo namin ngayon, dahil nawalan kami ng anak, help us to look at you, kasi ikaw lang ang nakakabigay sa amin ng liwanag ng aming buhay. So yun, kahit anong laki ng ating problema guys, let's just look up to God, who is the source. Kahit na madilim yung paligid natin dahil sa ating mga problema, let's look up and see the sun and think about God dahil siya lang yung nakakapagbigay ng liwanag sa buhay natin.